Not all TVs are the same. LCD TVs have to use backlights, but OLED pixels emit their own light. That's why only OLED bends and rolls. Only OLED is razor thin. Only OLED allows for perfect black and intense color. Some say LCD TVs are just as good. That's simply impossible. OLED creates a stunning picture. Other TVs are dull by comparison. Once you see OLED with your own eyes, you'll understand. There's nothing like an LG OLED television. See the light.
This is Sony's new Bravia Full Array LED 4K HDR TV, the XH90. Available in 55, 65, 75 and 85 inch screen sizes, it features a full array LED backlight with extended dynamic range, 4K HDR processor X1 and X-Motion clarity. Conventional LED TVs use just one row of LEDs to light the panel. The XH90 uses Sony's full array LED, previously only found on our higher end models. Full array LED places more LEDs across the whole screen, our extended dynamic range controlling each LED zone in real time. Dark areas are more defined and bright areas more vibrant for a dynamic, accurate picture. The 4K HDR processor X1 ensures supreme quality on the XH90 using our object-based HDR remaster technology. X-Motion clarity keeps fast action smooth and clear, moving images precisely controlled to minimize blur. Even during high-speed scenes, pictures stay true with no loss in brightness. Netflix calibrated mode, Dolby Vision and Atmos, and Sony's own custom picture mode setting, co-developed with Sony Pictures, are all included. So you experience films, TV shows and games with the color, contrast and motion the creator intended. Our acoustic multi-audio provides the cinematic sound from picture experience, and our X-Balance speaker features, for the very first time, sound positioning tweeters towards the top of the TV on each side, combined with full-range speakers at the bottom to simulate sound coming from the screen, like what you experience in the cinema. Our brand new X-Balance speaker ensures sound clarity and minimizes distortion. And newly designed speaker boxes provide more lower frequency tones for rich sound quality. Finished in Sony's signature premium aluminium frame, you'll be absorbed in entertainment without distraction. And finally, with a high-performance chipset, Sony's Android TV gives you fast, effortless access to all your favorite content. A microphone is built into the remote control, and with Google Assistant, you can find new entertainment and control your TV and your smart home using your voice. Explore over 5,000 apps available from the Google Play Store using Google Chromecast or Apple AirPlay to cast from your iPhone, iPad, Android device or laptop straight to the XH90.
Here's the new way to watch TV. LG webOS 3.5. Your favorite content? It's right here. Just press the hotkey. And there it is. You can enjoy your favorite Netflix show right away. List up your favorite content. You can watch it whenever you want. Oh, that's nice. And want to jump quickly between apps? Just press and hold the quick access button you saved. YouTube, photo and video app. They pop up right away. And the big game is on. Want to join? Hey, wait, wasn't that a foul? Oh, we got to see that up close. Yup, it's definitely a foul. Even when watching 360 VR content, you can use the remote controller like a mouse. So easy. Isn't it convenient? It would have been so difficult without the magic remote control. Oh, that looks so good. Let's find the recipe. Click the magic link and you'll find related videos and channels. You can even check out the cast of the show. Well, I know what I'm having for dinner today. Let's see some of your best memories on a larger screen. Connect your phone with the TV, and you can control and view your phone content on the TV. And something's missing. Let's find the perfect music to go with this. What were the lyrics again? Oh, right. Okay, now, let's turn off the screen so we can concentrate on listening to the music. This is much better. Make TV simple again. LG webOS 3.5.
Show me action movies. Switch to game console.